Hello students, take your social science, political life. Okay, which subject you have to take in a social subject? Political life. Take the first lesson. Let's start to read the lesson. Okay. What is the chapter 1? Understanding diversity. What do you mean diversity? Already I explained in the last class. What is that? It's mean the difference of our language, our religion and region in our country, etc. Okay, our clothes, manners, even though our traditional also one of a diversity. So let's start to read the lesson. Here they have drawn some pictures here, no? Like that you have to draw somewhat difference. Compared to this somewhat difference, you have to draw in this empty box. Okay, that is your one of our activity also. Just draw. Do you like to draw? Then you just draw like this, but not approximately like that. Somewhat difference you have to show here. Okay, so let's start to read the lesson. 3 children around your age have drawn the figures above. Use the empty box to draw your human figure. Is your drawing similar to any of the others? You just check out with your friends. While after completing the drawing session, you just ask to your friends how is that, and it's to be similar, just comment it, otherwise no problem. The chances are that your drawing is quite different from the other 3, which you can see are quite different from each other. This is because each one of us has a unique means similarity, somewhat specific character also with your drawing style. We not only don't look exactly like each other, but also differ in terms of the language we speak, our cultural backgrounds, the religious rituals we observe, and of course the way we draw. Okay, so here they mentioned some terms here. No, what is that? Language we speak, our cultural backgrounds, the religious rituals. So these things also one of a diversity. Okay, turn the next page. This is your information you have to fill. When I go out, I like wearing. What is that? If you go out, what do you like to wear? At home, what is the language you are speaking? At school, compulsory maximum you are speaking in English, but in home, we don't know. Just write it. My favorite sport is, what is that? I mean not for mine, your favorite sport. I like reading books about what is the things, story books or any comic, what is that, ritual books, anything. If you like, which books you are liking to read, that's things you have to write here. This box, compulsory. Okay, see the next thing. Now ask your teacher to help you check how many of you have similar answers. Is there anyone whose list matches your exactly? Probably not. If you comment this and post it in this group, then I will check and tell you. Okay, probably not. But many of you may have similar answers. How many like reading the same kind of books? How many different languages are spoken by the students in your class? By now, you must have recognized the many ways in which you are quite like some of your classmates and other ways in which you are different from them. While checking the answers, we can connect one thing. How many of them like to read same book? How many of them like speaking same language, anything? That everything we can find out easily. Okay, making friends. Do you think it would be easy for you to make friends with someone who was very different from you? Read the following story and think about this. I had meant it as a joke. A joke is made up for a small ragged boy who sold newspapers at the Janpan crossing at the busy intersection. See here. This is the busy junction. This is a newspaper boy. He is ragging here. Okay. Sorry, he is the newspaper boy. He is ragging to him. So how is the joke is going on? See, every time I cycled past, he would run after me, holding out the English paper and screaming out the evening's headlines in the mixture of Hindi and English words. This time, I stopped by the pavement and asked for the Hindi paper. His mouth fell open. You mean you know Hindi? He asked. Of course, I said as I paid for the paper. Why? What did you think? He passed. But you look so anxious. Angus means kovam. He said, you mean you can even read Hindi? Of course I can. I said this time a little impatiently. Impatiently means konjam porumaya, nidanama. I can speak, read and write Hindi. Hindi is our national language also. We must know to read and write little bit also. Hindi is one of the subjects I studied in school. Subjects. He asked. Subjects? Like that. Okay. How could I explain what a subject was to someone who had never been to school? Well, it is something. I began. But the lights changed and the honking behind me grew 100-fold and I let myself be pushed along with the rest of the traffic. So he didn't want to talk with him, but he was asking lot of questions with the newspaper boy. How he is answered the traffic also, behind the lot of vehicles, that everything honking means making sound of a horn. Okay, so that he wants to take the rest of the traffic. So the next day, what they are doing? The next day he was there again, smiling at me and holding out a Hindi paper. Bhaiya means brother. He said, आपका अकबर अब बात आए एक सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज़ है. The English word sounded strange on his tongue. So அப்போ அவன் என்ன சொல்கிறான் அப்படின்னா, பையா அண்ணா நீங்கள் இந்த The newspaper boy said, Bhaiya, he said. Okay, how he is calling? Bhaiya. Bhaiya means brother, already I said you. आपका आप बात ये एक सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज़ है? It means akbar. It means newspaper. What is that? Newspaper. आप बात ये subject क्या चीज़ है? क्या means you know well what. Okay, चीज़ है when want. Okay, ये subject क्या चेसगे உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் நியூஸ் பேப்பர் வேணுமா இல்லை ஹிந்தி நியூஸ் பேப்பர் வேணுமா? லைக் தட் ஹூ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் ஹியர்? தட் நியூஸ் பேப்பர் பாய். Okay, the English word sounded strange on his tongue. It sounded like its other meaning in English, to be ruled by someone else. So how he is asking in Hindi, but he asked well manner with him. Oh, it's just something to study, I said. And then, because the red light had come on, I asked him, have you ever been to school? Never, he answered. I didn't go any school, but I heard the voice only. He said like that only before, is it? And he added proudly, I began walking when I was so high. He measured himself against my cycle seat. First, my mother used to come with me, but I can't do it all alone. First of all, my mom come and help with me with all those sessions, but nowadays I am doing everything alone. Alone means taniyaga, alone. Where is your mother now? That one more boy is Samir. That boy is asking, where is your mother now? I asked. But when the lights changed and I was off, I heard him yell from somewhere behind me. She is in Meerut with, the rest was drowned out. So, where is she? In Meerut city. Meerut is a North India place, okay? I think it is near to Surat somewhere. My name is Samir, he said. Now only he is giving the introduction to the newspaper boy. What is his name? Samir. He said the next day, and very shyly he asked, what's yours? It was incredible. My bicycle wobbled. My name is Samir too, I said. What is the name of the newspaper boy? His name also Samir. What? His eyes lit up. What? If you hear anybody, when you are being an introduction to anybody, if you hear same name of yours, what is the reaction of you? Same like that. You are what? In a own peruma. Like that you were asking in Tamil, our language also, no? Same thing only here they describing. I said, what? His eyes lit up. Yes, I grinned at him. It's another name for Hanuman's father. You know, it is Samir name is Hanuman's father name. You know they are discussing the name. So, now you are Samir Ek. And I am Samir Do. He said triumphantly. Politely, he is saying here both of them, their names, Samir Ek and Samir Do. Something like that, I answered. And then I held out my hand. Hath mellow, Samir Do. His hand nestled. Hath mellow, it means, it is a Hindi word. It means, how are you? When you are being an introduction to anybody, how you are greeting the people. Hi, for example, I am saying, hi, I am Gayatri. I am coming from like that. We are telling no. Same as it is, they have used like that. Hath mellow. Samidu, vanakkam. It means vanakkam. His hand nestled in mine like a little bird. When he is shaking his hand, it's being a little bird. I could still feel its warmth as I cycled away. After who passed, Samir Ek passed. The next day he did not have his usual smile for me. There is trouble in Meerut, he said. Next day he didn't give a smile to the newspaper boy. The newspaper boy didn't give the smile to the Samir Ek. Okay, what happened? Many people are being killed there in the riots. Riots means it's to be a war. I looked at the headlines. Communal riots. Samuga Ridhyana or Purachi. It blazed. But Samir, I began. I am a Muslim, Samir. I am a Muslim boy. He said in answer. And all my people are in Meerut. His eyes filled with tears, and when I touched his shoulder, he would not look up. He is crying. All my relation, my mom, everybody in Meerut, they are many of the people they are killing, and they were killing in the riots. This is a communal riots. Samuga Purachi, Madasarbana Purachi. But I am a Muslim boy. How I have to be do there? What is the thing I have to do there? It is not to be safe for me. Like that he is feeling. Next, see. He was not at the crossing the day after. Neither the day after, nor even again. And no newspaper in English or Hindi can tell me where my Samidu has gone. The next day he is asking to somebody, there is no newspaper for me. So where he has gone? Like that he is asking, where is what is the name of the newspaper boy? Samir Do. What is the name? Samir Do. Okay, the lights changed by Paul Sengupta. The traffic light. There is, what is the light here that they are mentioning here? Traffic lights. Who changed that? Yes, Paul Sengupta. Name 3 ways in which Samir Ek and Samir Do were different. Samir Ek is the Hindu boy. Samir Do is the Muslim boy. Samir Ek is the rich. Samir Do is very poor. Samir Do is the living in same area of the country, city, but Samir Do is lived in Meerut. So there was 3 differences I have mentioned. Like that, what have you understood from that? You just write. Did these differences prevent them from becoming friends? Or not, especially they know because of their talking only make them friends. Okay, let's continue in the next class.